Hello, in this video we are going to see the BigTibus POS sales software, online software, as well as you'll be getting an app along with this. So let us see one by one. So this is the login. So I've logged in with my username password of my shop. So first thing is I can see here is the dashboard, and you have all the options to see like the company details, banner master. So when you are using our online Bigmart, that is the online services, then you can use all these things and you can make your business online. Now I'm going to show you the offline sales, that is the customers who are coming to your shop directly. So for that you have options here to add your supplier name. So supplier name is nothing but the purchases you are doing from where. So you have supplier name, pin code, contact number, email, mobile number of this, and the details, basic details, whether he is belong to Indian province or outer province. So that when you increase, either if you want to do a purchase of local, then CGST, SGST will be applicable. If it is outer service, then IGST. So based on that, the GST will be calculated. We have provided in the same way. Now the supplier details has been already added here. I'll show you the details here. So the PAN details, all the basic details are been added here. Fine. Now next thing is like you have option. This is the basic details of company master, as well as I have added you the supplier details. So the next thing comes the purchase. So once the purchase is added, the stock will be increased of a particular product. So you can select the particular purchase, particular supplier name, then bill amount, bill number, and the date when it has been purchased. What is the payment mode, whether it's cash or credit. So and next thing is you can add the product stock details or product which has been you are purchasing. That is masala spices. If you have option chili powder, it's 500 gram chili powder. So you have current stock is nil. Now I add a quantity of 25. So it shows me the tax details, automatically calculates here. So when I click on the enter next, new product, new list will be created, and again click masala spices and coriander powder of 1 kg. So already I'm having 4 and I'm appending with 26, so that it will become 30. So total cost will be added here. Now I have enough chili powder and coriander powder. All this 500 grams and 1 kg I have added. Now I submitted. So let me see the stock details here. You have the options here to see stock statement. So I click and see the latest chili powder. So what the stock I have purchased, stock is 0, and sales is nothing. The closing stock is 25. So purchase stock is 25, sales stock is 0, and this is so same way for coriander. So I have purchased 26 stock today, and already I was having a stock in hand was 4. Now the closing stock is 30. So it shows me the stock details also. So now I can see the stock details here. Here you have option to directly add the stock. Instead you can add, you can do purchase and you can add the stock. Otherwise, if you want to add the closing stock directly, or if you want to minus the stock, so you can select this category, chili. So for example, if I don't want to have the old stock which has not been done, so coriander I will so masala spices. Now I select the coriander. So of this 1 kg I minus 3, so or 4, sorry 4, so I submitted. The stock will be, let me check the stock statement. So for the coriander, so it was 30 previously. I've reduced the 4, which was in the stock in hand 4. Now the purchase stock was 26. That new stock only is added here now. So same way you can add the stocks directly, add or minus. So this is stock details. Next is the sales. The sales is POS type of sales, touch screen sales. So it will be easier for you to touch and generate the sales bill copy. So I click this. Either you can use your mouse or you can use the touch screen. So if you have a kiosk, so masala spices I click. So chili powder, it will ask me what is the grams. I add 5, okay, and coriander powder 1 kg. I add 2. Okay, so same way, if instead I can just click on the particular product and 500 grams. So same we can click. So same if you want to search for a particular category of fresh fruits like that, so it will search me, it filter me from the list. Same way for here, if you have a lot, then you can search and do in this way also. So if I want to close this bill, I just click bill. It will show me the bill number, whether it's payment cash or credit, then discount percentage, if it is 10 or 5 or 2 or 1, it calculates automatically. And if he's a new customer, then you have to enter the customer name and mobile number. If he's an existing customer, you can search the customer name, and you can do the same way, and you can submit it. A bill copy will be generated in your own name. Say this is the shop name, this is the customer name details basic. Already it has been added in the customer master, so it is showing me easily. Otherwise you provide the same details in the while type of billing. So you can see here the product and with the UOM, quantity, the rate, the net amount, the taxable amount, total. The taxable amount is showing me here, the discount is showing me here. No discount has been provided. Shipping cost is not required. In case if you want, you can add it. Otherwise you can leave this one, and total cost. Okay, so this is the basic details. Now I can see the say this is the list. Now I have added this. Now that when I when I close the print option, it shows me here. I click the sales details, so you can see. You will not open and see the bill or each time. Just click this and see the product details. See, same way. You can take the bill copy in two of formats. One is for the A4 sheet, what we see previously, or else in a thermal printer. The thermal print option is also available with a short description with the details. And if you want to delete this bill, you can delete it, and you can make a new bill also. This is the sales, easy, very fast, quick sales. And next thing is you can see the details about the order details or sales details. So sales details nothing but total number of sales which is has spent with for a particular day with a category wise. So you can see for total number of sales happened a particular day category wise. You can see for 1 week what is total sales, offline sales. This is the offline sales that is happening in your shop alone. So what is the total number of sales, what is the product wise. You can see product wise also. You can search on the product. You can download an Excel sheet. You can take a printout, and you can see customers wise also. So total number of sales. So profit and loss account. So what is the purchase I have completed? What is the sales happened? So you can see all those details. Total number of purchases. So coriander powder I have purchased, and chili powder I have purchased. What is the sales rate? So what is the difference rate? I purchased for this cost, I have sold for this cost. What is this details? You can see the profit and loss account. Then this is the sales stock details, current stock in hand. So if it is in minus, then the stock out of stock you have been added, still purchase has not been done. So you have to make some purchases, or you can go to the stock page. You can add the stock details directly. So this is the current stock, something like that. You can take a printout of this all stock details. So the low minimum stock, available stock are showing here. This is a low stock details in orange color. This is the available stock in blue color. You can segmentize in that way. So this is a stock statement and customer order details, sales chart. So you can see the sales chart of this particular month with the date. So you can see on 2nd it's 1,500 rupees. On 3rd it's 510 rupees. On today it's 1,174. You can see for a week also. First week it's going good, still the other weeks are not been completed. It's quarterly based. So for first 2 months, July to September, 26,000 has been done for sales for particular year. You can see for a particular year comparably. So this can be seen based on your requirement also. So this is the sales chart. You can send SMS or email to your customers, and other details like what are the offers you are providing in that way. So this is the basic details about the Bigtipus POS sales. It's a very simple and easy to use. You can manage all your online sales as well as offline sales both in the same thing. So the other options are available for your online sales. So you have will provide you a separate website in your own brand and app in your own brand, so that you can manage your online sales as well as what we saw is the offline sales. both the things can be managed, and both the sales report can be generated in the same software itself. If you want a demo, you can contact us using the same mobile number or call WhatsApp number 9123515998, so they can provide you a model app or website to check your online sales and this offline sales billing details, so can manage both the things. And you can visit in our website also, www.bigtibus.com. You can go and see in the e-commerce section. In this e-commerce section, you have all the options to start your free trial, and you can see how the website, the details have been provided to you. So you get an e-commerce website with QR code, you get an e-commerce app with QR code, and administrator software. This administrator software is useful for you to manage your online sales as well as your offline sales. Offline sales, I mean it to be like the sales which is happening in your own shop. So that the demo what we saw is the offline sales and POS sales. So thank you for watching this video.